Today we're going to be talking about the 5 best banks to use for your small business. We'll break down the options, weigh the pros and cons, so you can make the best final decision. I know this is an important step for your business, so we're going to answer questions on just how much money you'll need to start a business account and what documents you're going to have to get to finally get it open. Let's begin with the first option. This is one bank that needs no introduction. Bank of America is the most popular choice for small businesses nationwide, and it's our top pick for the best of 2022. Bank of America requires you to make an opening deposit of $100, which is pretty minimal. There's no required bank balance either, which is always a plus, but Bank of America is one of the few banks that continuously provides support as your business grows. The first $7,500 in cash deposits are free every month. And if your business revenue is under that, you can save a considerable amount of money compared to other banks. This bank also has one of the best rewards programs that we've seen, and for that reason alone, it deserves to be at the top of this list. I will mention really quickly, there are links in the description below to all of the banks we'll talk about in this video. They are affiliate links, which means that you still get the best price possible, but we may make a commission. And smart business owners know they need to move quickly in order to grow their business, so check out those links right away. Chase is the next best alternative to Bank of America in our eyes. Like the previous bank, Chase doesn't have any minimum balance requirements, but on top of that, it doesn't even require you to make a minimum deposit. You can just go to a Chase location and open up an account with no money at all. Chase does everything that you would expect a bank to do, and in some instances, it does excel in it. But the reason that it's behind Bank of America on this list is because its rewards program isn't that great. But aside from that, it's a solid option. Bluevine is one of the few banks that will allow you to earn interest on a checking account. Like Chase, Bluevine doesn't have any minimum balance or deposit requirements. But one thing you should know is that Bluevine is a digital-only bank. There are no physical branches or locations that you can visit, though this does make it incredibly easy to open up an account at home. Bluevine also makes it incredibly easy for small businesses to get a line of credit. One major downside is that there is no customer service available on the weekends, and as we all know, customer service is incredibly important when it comes to banking. If you want to avoid almost every fee, then Novo is probably the best option for you. This is a bank with no minimum deposits, no balance requirements, and the only bank on our list with no transaction fees, domestic wire fees, or international wire fees. You may get charged at an ATM, but that money will be credited back into your account at the end of the month. The main drawback of Novo is that it offers no lending options. It is purely a checking account, and a great one at that. FIB is another purely digital bank like Bluevine. It allows you to earn interest both on checking and savings accounts and tries to keep the fees to a minimum. It also seamlessly integrates with accounting software such as QuickBooks, which can come in quite handy during tax season every year. Overall, it's a great choice, but once again, it's not a traditional bank. So think about all of the options mentioned and choose the one that best fits your business's needs. And remember, you can still get money for your women-owned business by applying for grants. So on screen right now, you'll see a video for the 9 best grants for women-owned businesses, and we'll walk you through on how to apply for each of them. Again, thank you for using the links in the description below. We'll catch you in that next video.